Yo guys, this might be StockX's worst decision they have ever made. We gotta talk about it. We gotta break it down because I can kind of start seeing the decline and the demise of StockX. I'm gonna give you guys some facts. Nothing I'm just pulling out thin air. It's stuff that's actually happening, stuff that's going on with StockX. So make sure you watch this, especially if you're about to buy something from them. Let's get right into it, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up. Come see what your boy Da Vinci is talking about. And of course, talking about sneakers, clothes, hats, or something to that effect. And most importantly, like, you know what I'm saying, the shock drop. Everybody waiting for shock drops. Even today, if you are watching, you know what I'm saying, the Travis Scott, the Mocha joints, the Jumpman Jacks are releasing a day shock drop on his website that I'm hearing, not too sure. But of course, tomorrow we do have the official release on the Nike sneakers app. But if you're watching well after, you know what I'm saying, November the 20, what is it? I think it's like the 23rd, right? Or the 25th. If you're watching after the 25th, disregard this, skip to the next part of the video. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, do your boy solid and leave a huge like on today's video. And again, like I said, we got a lot to talk about with StockX, or really not a lot. I just like this one right here. Just took it over the wall. Like this is it for them, in my opinion. But we're gonna talk about it when we get right to it, man. All right, guys. So last week we just talked about it. You know, StockX, they just announced that they cannot officially or, you know, legit check certain sneakers that come through their platform. And that comes after Nike, of course, sued them for, you know, encountering 10 counterfeit sneakers from StockX. I guess Nike or some type of mole ordered some sneakers off StockX and 10 of them came back counterfeit. And that led StockX to put out a statement to all of its users saying that we cannot legit check, we cannot 100% identify anything that is fugazi. And that is kind of crazy. For the longest, we've been hearing StockX saying, of course, we can authenticate the sneakers, make sure you get the top notch, the best, the real, get what you are paying for with your hard-earned money. And that all just went to the wayside. That all went in the trash when they announced that they cannot legit check, they can't authenticate your sneakers. It's just impossible. So that is just one of those backfall things. Like, we gotta say something in order to counteract what Nike is coming at us with. So now they have to cover themselves, put it in their policy saying that we cannot 100% authenticate your items, which is crazy. It's gonna throw everybody off for a loop. Not a lot of people are gonna trust StockX for taking that fall. I feel like they're just saying that for a defense, like a rebuttal. This is what it is, so Nike can't say this. It's kind of trash in their day, but it's something that StockX has to do. So you have to go out there and, you know, pretty much get all your hope and your might that StockX is going to give you a legit item. I still think they're still gonna, of course, make sure your pair is real, but at the end of the day, the policy states we can't be 100% for sure at all, which me, had to take a step back. You guys see, I ain't bought enough StockX in a very, very long time. I couldn't believe it when I heard it. I literally been shopping with StockX for about 6 years. It's crazy. I've been spending money with StockX for some years now. You can check my sales. You can check the purchase I made. I've been dealing with StockX for a while. And the huge news that we just got a couple of days ago, which is kind of all new still, is still kind of relevant. And StockX made it to where they have 14-day returns. Bro, I want you guys to think about that. Think about what they are doing, bro. They are opening the floodgates for all types of crazy stuff to go on. You telling me if I buy a sneaker off StockX and I get 14 days to return it, say for instance I don't want it, quote unquote, you know what type of dealings is going to happen. People are going to be trying to slip through fakes back. People are going to try to do all types of crazy stuff in order to play StockX, because it's so easy to get a little StockX tag, put it back on another sneaker. I'm hoping this does not happen, but I'm already knowing there's people out there that live like opportunists. It's opportunists out there that are going to take advantage of this StockX's new policy towards 14-day return policy. That is crazy. And all you got is a tag on the shoe, which you can take off, put on another shoe, you guys know what I'm saying, something from across the water, and then that pair will get pushed back to StockX. And I am pretty sure, listen here, listen to me, here comes the hook, and I'm pretty sure they're going to send that said shoe, that same shoe that person returned, you know what I'm saying, and give it back to the seller. Now you guys see what I'm talking about. There are going to be a lot of issues with this new policy. And I'm already knowing this is because they just said a couple of weeks ago that they can't legitimate. They can't make sure your shoe is 100% legit. So if you find out your shoe isn't legit, guess what you can do? You can return it to Stockx, and guess who's gonna be screwed in there today? That person that sold the sneakers to Stockx. It's crazy, bro. It is super crazy. I'm already knowing it is about to be a lot of talk. It's gonna be a bunch more videos. It's gonna be a lot more people that are venting and letting you guys know what is going on. But as of now, I don't know how anybody can sell or buy on Stockx with this new policy. It's just crazy. It's really mind blowing. I said, yo, 14-day return policy? Come on, yo. You already got people on YouTube that's proven to sell fakes, sell unauthentic items on Stockx countless times. Literally, people on YouTube get searching, selling fake shoes to Stockx. It happens all the time. So now are you going to screw that person that's legitimately getting the shoes, putting in the footwork, selling them on Stockx, and that person that returns it and swaps it out with a fake, now that seller, that legit seller, is going to be screwed into the day. And I'm pretty sure Stockx is going to keep that transaction fee, that sales fee, and all types of stuff. And they might charge you, because if you sell fake shoes on Stockx, or if you sell, sending the wrong items, after a certain amount of times, they start charging you $15, $20, $25 or a percentage of that sale. It is about to get crazy, but I'm just here to pre-warn y'all. I'm just here to talk about it and let you guys know what is going on. Because me personally, bro, I would not want nobody to go through this. I know what is about to happen. If you guys go watch one of my videos some years ago, I sold a pair of, I sold a shoe, right? Next thing you know, I get a email saying I sent the wrong size. I did not send the wrong size. And they say, we're gonna send your product back. I got charged that same fee I was telling you guys about. That's how I know about this. And I received an entirely different sneaker. I'm gonna leave that video link down below because it's kind of hard for me to explain. It happened like 3-4 years ago. But now that I'm recording this video, I'm remembering, like, this stuff just happened to me. They sent me back my shoe and they sent me back somebody's random sneaker. I'm gonna put the video link down below. You guys probably won't believe me saying that right now, but this definitely happened. Legit, I showed the video, me getting the package. I said, hold on, y'all just sent me an email. Why am I getting a random package back? Crazy stuff. I just know it is about to get really, really weird over on Stockx. So I just want you guys to be pre-warned, be prepared, be cautious. Be precautious before you are spending your hard-earned money. And not just with Stockx. I'm talking about with Gold, eBay, Flight Club, all of these apps, man. Make sure you are good to go. Make sure you're doing your research. Make sure you're not getting got. Make sure you're not getting got. And that's what I'm here for, man, to help you guys out. Pretty sure you probably ain't heard about this policy, but 14-day return policy. That don't even sound right in my opinion, because there's going to be a lot of stuff going on in the near future. And I told y'all about a week ago when I made the video about the whole them not being able to authenticate and amend to selling face. It's just getting started. This is just the beginning. And now we are here today. And I give it about another month or two. We're going to hear some more crazy exotic stories regarding return policy with Stockx, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Thank you for letting me, borrow your ear for a little bit. Listen to what I'm saying. Hopefully I took a couple things out of this, but just know, be precautious of what you buy. Be prepared to see some crazy things happening. And y'all not gonna see no experience from me, because I don't want no dealings, I don't want no dealings. So if you guys have any stories, anything in pertaining to Stockx, man, please let me know down below in the comment section. Very interested in knowing. And if you want your story to get, broadcasted, hit your boy up on IG, because I know it's about to get crazy over on the other side, man. But again, sub up, hit the notification bell for your boy so you miss out on any content. Please do your boy a huge solid. We need this video out there. Leave a huge like and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this new 14-day return policy via Stockx. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And all being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video. And good luck on them Travis Scott Mocha Jumpman Jacks, because I definitely need a pair, man. Peace.